today, and I found this box on the front porch. And as you can see, it's from Midland, and it contains the prize, the grandiose prize from the SMORR2MOORE rally that we won for doing Route B. So I'm gonna open it up right now because they didn't tell us what the prize is. So I'm excited to see what it is.
It's probably like a little toy car.
Maybe it's a box cutter.
Ha
Because
ha.
obviously I need one of those.
Ha ha ha. Or maybe it's a little Jeep. That'd be cool to be able to.
I've been waiting all week to see what this is. Wait, you cannot see it before me.
Hey. Oh.
What is happening?
Whoa. Yeah. There's a hat, a Midland hat.
A cool hat. Wait, just hold on now. That's pretty sweet. Sweet. I have some pants and other cool clothing. A Midland radio hat.
A shirt that's got a code.
Sweet. Midland radio shirt.
Mid shirt cam one.
Midland radio shirt. Looks like a cool shirt.
And then a bunch of stickers. Want to go and open the stickers?
Oh.
Front runner. Ooh.
Okay.
Oh, you got more?
A Midland radio hat. A beanie hat,
Oh wait, we already have one.
which we actually already have one of these. So that's okay.
Open the stickers.
Let's see what's in this package.
Everything that's in a thing like this, it's stickers.
Oh yes, we got our booklet back, which we were hoping to get it back with our routes and all the notes on there.
Another card.
Okay, hold on. Lots of stickers. Oh, and in the stickers is a $250 Midland Radio gift card.
Oh, Mom.
Sweet. And off-road GPS maps. What is this? I don't have my glasses on. I can't see. Some type of a GPS map thing. Off-road GPS maps. Oh, premium membership. Nice. Also a cool, I think that's how you pronounce it. I think it's cool. Gift card. Sweet. What's that? What's that say?
Jennifer, thank you.
Midland
for
Radio.
winning
Jennifer. Oh, go
SMORR2MOORE
ahead. Go ahead.
Rally.
Can you read it?
I can't read
Okay.
the name.
Congratulations on winning the
I
SMORR2MOORE rally.
I didn't do.
President, Midland Radio Corp.
No, what about
I
that?
can't
What
read
does
his
that
name
mean?
either. We'll find out. And these are some pretty sweet stickers here.
Reporter, do you know what this is?
I'm digging these.
Do you know what this says?
Digging these. Okay. And front runner. Ooh, one of the front runner boxes. Oh my gosh, I can't even, oh, there's stuff in it too. I cannot even tell you how badly I need this box because we were buying these up at the expo. Holy crap!
Okay, so
Holy crap!
Okay,
it's
let's
filled with
start
stuff.
first with the big stuff.
Oh my gosh, okay.
You have a smart deflator. Quick
Oh,
connect with.
Nice.
Pretty nice there.
Okay.
You have a pros. Okay, let's just secure.
Let's. We gotta show the camera. A pro holster. Okay. You got a big old canteen here. Brew
This is like
breaker.
My coffee.
Hey. Oh, sweet.
I want the coffee.
We've got some high-powered Joe. It's got your name on it. For Midland Radio.
Emergency alert. Also
Emergency.
a weather radio.
Okay.
And the all amazing and all beautiful RAM mounts.
Ram mounts. Nice. You can mount your.
Oh wow, that's what, how there was there. 'Cause it's
Okay. Yeah. Great.
Oh, we got another one. Two of them
Oh
actually.
yeah, these are those blow up lanterns.
We already have two, so now we have
These
four.
are awesome for camping.
Also, we have
World's leading light to color your soul.
oh, that's not good. That means that there's something that I have to go and put together. Oh wait, I think it's for the ram rig. The
Joe, look
Ram
it!
Yay! We have
Joe was part of
an
the
emergency
SMORR2MOORE rally.
2-wave radios.
He did actually take some of the film, so
I got.
nice.
I already have one of those, so that's nice.
Yeah, now we have 3. Now we have 3 of these.
Also, we have a jump starter.
What? Wait, what? Oh, hold on. Jump starter. Personal power supply. I just put one of these in my cart on Amazon. So this will come in handy.
These two are together. The ram mounts and that.
Oh, okay. That's for the ram mount.
Oh,
Gotcha.
and we got a bottle. A pounder.
A cup. Nice.
We have
A nice cup. I think
two.
Oh, it's like a koozie thing.
We got
Patches.
Patches. And the best of all, a backpack.
Sweet. And more
Ooh.
stickers?
Yeah.
More stickers.
A lot of stickers. Oh boy, it opens too.
Okay, hold on.
Hold on, hold on.
It's just
Cool.
stickers. All right, cool. All
There's
right.
something in here though.
Thank you for all the awesome prizes. We had lots of fun. We will definitely be coming back next year.